Lip Sync Battle Africa. Bear Thusi and talk about Bear Thusi. Hey, she's the best. The crowd, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful crowd. You know, they were so energetic throughout, and then more importantly, the guests coming in. Like any other show you've seen or every other show that you might have watched, you will not see this kind of guests. These are celebrities from different parts of Africa coming in.
I have to keep on correcting him. It's superstars.
Superstars.
We have like blazing, like not
super celebrities.
Because as celebrities,
okay.
Anybody can be a celebrity now.
Oh, okay.
We have super stars.
Aha. See why the show is interesting. Even now, we are still doing the show. Lip sync. So yes, we have super celebrities doing what they won't usually do in the normal days.
And this is the first show, I mean, we keep saying this because I think people need to understand that there's never been a show that's really combined all of Africa and put them into one show. Episodically, yes, but still, this show is going to be broadcast and it's a TV show. It's not like an acting thing or, you know, Africa Magic drama series, no. It is a TV show that's going to bring artists from around the continent, bring them together, and music is doing all of this, which is what is really special about this show. And it's entertaining, it's funny, spicy, he brings flavor, he brings a nice ginger, and we have a really good time. It's just 4 people, sometimes a bit more, jamming and having a good time on stage, and you get to be a part of it. Oliver. Then I'll mix it, you know, like a DJ. Emergency, Oliver, you never see me coming through. Oliver, you never see me coming through. Oliver. I think he's a very, already quite open and honest to all of his fans. They know him quite well. But if you didn't already know that he's a really funny person, he's extremely funny. If he went into comedy, I actually wouldn't be upset with him. I'd give it a chance if he went into comedy. He's really funny, and he would make a great presenter, I think. He'd make a great presenter. And he's very talented, he's fun, he's giving, he's genuine as well, which is really good.
Well, first of all, you know, when you see a very beautiful girl, a very beautiful woman like Pearl, you never know how ready, how dedicated they can be. And I think that's what moved me most about her. The fact that our job was the hardest job throughout. Me, I was just enjoying it. Put me in one corner and just chilling. I had a cool lounge. Just give me something. I don't be doing anything I wanted to do. But for her, she had to be there before anybody. She had to be there when everybody was done. She had to cram things. She had to know things. And each time you spoke to her, she was happy to do it. So I saw genuine dedication. I saw someone that, other than her looking so hot, other than her being a super celebrity already and being beautiful, she wanted more. She wants it. So she gave it. And she was very focused. She's very focused. So if you think that you can just be a beautiful face and you cannot give it, she is the typical example of when they say ideal.
She is the realest. What you heard? Damn me, she fly. All you just is birds. She made it. That's what she deserves. Sitting ya twala me. Mabenzo bamba ni. Ukati nyazala ye. Bisu biolala ki. Hey, angandaba if you.